Most people look at a spreadsheet and see chaos, but today we decode the matrix. 3 simple elements dictate everything you will ever do in Excel: the cell, the grid, and the ribbon. The biggest mistake beginners make is staring at the blank canvas and randomly clicking, typing blindly. Stop. That red side of your screen, that's data chaos. The green side? That's treating Excel like an architectural blueprint. Complete control starts here. Lesson 1, the foundation. Look at the single glowing block. This is a cell. It is the atomic unit of your entire spreadsheet. Think of it as a strict street address. Column A, row 1, A1. A cell holds one specific piece of logic, text, or math. Nothing more, nothing less. Lesson 2, the structure. Your single cell doesn't float in space. It is locked into a framework. Columns act as the vertical pillars, represented by letters. Rows act as the horizontal floors, represented by numbers. Together, they create your X and Y axis. This is your grid, your data's skeleton. Lesson 3, the roof. Now that your structure is built, you need to command it. Enter the ribbon. It sits at the top of your screen, capping off your environment. It's organized into tabs like Home, Insert, and Data. It contains every tool required to manipulate, format, and calculate the cells beneath it. Let's lock it in. Number 1, the cell is your address. Number 2, the grid is your architecture. Number 3, the ribbon is your tool belt. Master this framework and you master the software. If you want the exact blueprints for this, I've compiled them. You get a full 10-page masterclass PDF, cheat sheets for keyboard shortcuts, and an interactive offline tool to test your knowledge. Link in the description. You're building an elite skill set. Don't leave your progress disconnected. Hit subscribe, join the community, and let's keep your data clean. Now that you understand the architecture, it's time to build a money printing machine inside it. Click the video on your screen right now for episode 2, Simple Formula for Rental Cash Flow. Let's make this grid work for you. Script Data Insights. Keep building.